Good morning and welcome to the stream. I'm Surf Dude, streaming from South Africa. This morning we're going to do some test streams. And thank you Captain Hyper for the follow and for the bits. Thank you Box 13 for the follow. One of these gates, thank you for the follow, and Life Approximate, thank you for the follow. Thank you everyone. We're on our way to 400 followers, so I really appreciate all your support. And there we go. We have our Minecraft. Let's start with the lesson that we have today to test. And I have actually bought the We've done the hour of code previously, the AI version, the inclusion one. We've done lessons in good trouble. And let's do a bit of Timecraft today. The Hour of Code 2021 Timecraft. Travel through time and space and explore the concept of building a better future through code. And it looks good. Let's create the world. And let's begin. Press the button to begin. And Minecraft presents Timecraft. And welcome to Timecraft, welcome to the stream. Let's press the W key to move forward. And you can use the mouse or the A key to move left and the D key to move right. D key, sorry about that, and space to jump. And W to climb ladders. And let's enter the control center. And Tara is here. Great, you're here. Things seem to be going wrong in time, and we need your computer science skills. I'm Tara, and I operate the control center here at the Institute for Major Time Errors. Choose a time agent to help you on your missions. And we're going to use the blocks. Tara says next, let's pick up your time agent. This robot will help you fix these mysterious errors in history and save the future. And Rascal, Yeti, Gremlin, Banshee, and Pixie. I think we'll go with Rascal today. And let's press C to deploy the agent. You've successfully deployed your agent. This is a code builder window. You'll use it when you're ready to code. Hit the green play button to close this window and to continue your adventure. Great choice. Now follow me to the time agent test area and start coding. And we follow the triangles, or we follow the diamonds. Tara says, I have added a talk device to your inventory. Select the talk device to call me. And we've called Tara with the talk device. Press start activity when you're ready to begin. This will call your time agent and you can start coding. Use your talk device for hints to help you solve the coding challenge. Connection successful, Tara says. Let's test your agent. Use code to move your time agent forward 3 blocks. There is the agent, and we press C for the code window. Welcome to your first coding task. Let's test your time agent to see how it follows your code. Use blocks from the toolbox to move your agent forward. So we drag that in. We have the green area. When we click that, we're going to start this. And what we're going to do when we start is move the agent forward 3 blocks. Well done. Our agent obeys us. No time to lose. Follow me to the timeline computer to help fix these time splits. And here we have the timeline computer. Welcome to the timeline computer. A time split has been detected. That means that something has gone wrong in time. You and your time agent must travel to these time splits and fix them. Press the button on the timeline computer to select the first time split. And Tara says, superb, now follow me to the time pod to begin your mission. We follow the sparkling diamonds. And Tara says you can use the time pod to travel to the time split. We only have enough power to travel 3 times, so let's make it count. Now move forward to the time pod and press the button to open it and receive your mission briefing. Mission brief. In this time split, a soon-to-be famous jazz musician has lost their prized trumpet, and is using a kazoo instead. Their influence on the world is disappearing. Traveled to New York City, USA in the 1920s to save jazz. And now that you've been briefed, Tara says, enter the time pod and press the button inside to travel through time. Fix the split and search for clues as to who is causing them. Let's have a look at the environment, and we enter the time pod. 3, 2, 1, take off. Jazz Club. We've arrived at the Jazz Club. The jazz musician says, booed off another stage. Ever since I lost my trumpet, nothing has been the same. The kazoo just doesn't have the same zing. Tara says, this is bad. If the musician cannot find his trumpet, jazz music may never exist. Let's see if we can help him out. I'm detecting something belonging to the jazz musician behind the wall. Start the mission by using your talk device to call your time agent. Let's call the time agent. Press start activity when you're ready to begin. This will call your time agent and you can start coding. Use your talk device for hints to help you solve the coding challenge. And Tara says, excellent, you've revealed the location of the jazz musician's trumpet. Use code to move the time agent through the maze and and collect the trumpet. So now we've got to do the code. And let's open the code. and we would like this when we start by clicking the start button, so that part of the code is already done for us. And we're going to move the agent forward looks like 1-2 steps, then down 1-2, then across 1-2. So we're going to move forward 2, then we move up 1, and let's get this view so we can see how to code. So we've moved up 1, we move we move forward 1-2, forward 1-2, up 1-2, and across 1, so forward 1, oops, and then we collect the missing trumpet. Let's see. The code has a problem. Let's see. Why have I got forward twice? Need to go down, then forward, then up, then forward. Let's check that. Forward 3, down 2, forward 2, up 1, forward 1-2, up 1. Let's see. Up 1, forward 2, up 1-2, forward 1. Let's see if this is going to work. Let's reset the activity. And now that we have the code, let's see if it's going to work. And the jazz musician says, "Thank you. How I've missed my trumpet with all my heart. Let's see how they like jazz now." Congratulations, time split repaired. Tara says, "Amazing work, you've repaired this moment in time. The future of jazz is saved. Tara says, my scan has revealed a hidden button somewhere in this area. Search the area from top to bottom for a button and then press the button to gather more information. So now we've got to do a search. And I see the button over there. Let's press the button and see what happens. You found the hidden button. Yo! Welcome to the stream. And how are you doing? Yes, finally catch the stream. And how are you doing? I'm doing well. It is around 8 or 9 p.m. in my country, and I'm glad that you're good. And welcome in. I'll also check your streams if you're a streamer. I'm just trying to remember if you are. And yes, I'm doing good. It is Christmas Eve, so happy Christmas to you. I will be doing some family Christmas tomorrow. Okay, cool, around 8. That's pretty cool. So Tara says, you found the hidden button. It appears a secret room has been revealed in this area. It must be the culprit's hideout. Go to the room and search for any clues. I must check actually what my time is because I don't have my watch with me. So let's have a look in the secret room, and there's also Pokemons to catch in my stream if you're interested. Secret room. And Tara says, what is this? It looks like our culprit is a time agent. But which one? We've got to get to the bottom of this. Remember this clue? We'll discuss your findings when you return to the control center. When you're ready to leave, use your talk device to return to the timeline computer. And we've got to remember these two. Okay, that's pretty cool. I should be around, I think, I hope. And the kettle is, so that'll be cool. And what we are doing here is we're going to make a note of these two agents that we saw. Oh wow, that's pretty cool. Yes, it isn't so easy to get affiliate. So well done on that effort to be close to affiliate. And Tara says, press end mission when you're all done. I'll bring you back to the control center. Welcome everyone to the stream. I hope that you're enjoying. I'm Surf Dude from South Africa. And Tara says, welcome back. Those images of the time agents you found must be a clue as to who is causing these time splits. So welcome. And that's good news that you are close to affiliate. So keep up the good work. So based on the evidence you've gathered, which one do you think is causing all of these time splits? So at the moment it could be Yeti or Pixie. Let's choose Yeti. And Tara says, understood. We'll keep a close watch on that time agent. Based on the data I gather on your previous mission, I've detected the next time split and I've done my best to display it on the large screen above the timeline computer. So let's go to the timeline computer and select a time split. We've done the jazz one. Now we do the next one. And let's go to the time pod. And we have 2 jumps left. So press the button. Here is a time split where the first pyramid of Giza has somehow changed to a cube. We must go to ancient Egypt and figure out what happened. So let's go into the time pod. We have 2 jumps left, and let's do the time warp. And this is called the Architect's Workshop. Architect, this monument must be giant to honor King Khufu, but this cube continues to collapse under its own weight. There must be another shape that works. Tara says the culprit must have changed the architect's plans. Help him by completing the shape of the triangle. That should make him. Tara says the culprit must have changed the architect's plans. Help him by completing the shape of the triangle. That you should inspire him to make a pyramid. Start your mission by using your talk device to call the time agent. So we're going to start the activity. And fantastic, Tara says. Let's use code to place blocks that finishes the triangle. And we open the code window. That would be a good question. Okay, enjoy your school, and I hope that it goes well. Bye bye, and thanks for that cool emote, and have a great school day. So now we're going to press C for the code. And thank you for that cool emote. I hope that your school goes well, and thanks for popping in on the stream. It's been nice chatting with you. So, help the architect finish the triangle, a design that will stand the test of time. Think of how to create a triangle. There are 2 more levels needed, 3 blocks on the bottom and 1 block on the top. Let's just move this over here. And we have our code here. So let's see, start. We would like the agent to move forward 1 and then place something behind him. Then let's try that again. And let's see if that code is working like we expected. I think it is. So let's take that out and rather do this. And then we have to move up by 1, and let's see how that turns out. And we have to move forward. I'm not too sure now if we should move forward or backwards. So let's try reset that. And let's move forward by 3. As I thought, we need to move back by 3 and place forward. Oops, we forgot to reset the activity. So let's do that again. And there we go. Architect says, what is this? This shape is perfect. It has a sturdy base, but as it rises, it comes to a point. Genius! King Khufu will be most pleased. Congratulations, the time split is repaired. And Tara says, that should take the edge off. Amazing work. You've repaired this moment in time using the power of code. And we have detected a secret. Search the area for a button. I wonder where the secret button is. And wait, do I see something here? I don't think so. And let's have a look over here. Where is the button? It wasn't very helpful. I seem to have lost the button. Let's try over here. Ah, there we have the button. And look at that. Find the secret room. And it seems like I do have night vision on. And let's see the clues that are left behind. Tara says, you found the secret room. Take note of which time agents you see here and head back to the Institute. So let's go a bit closer and see we've got Pixie and Gremlin. Pixie and Gremlin. So now we're going to use the talk device. And back to the control center we go. Based on the time splits and the evidence, I would vote for Think Pixie. Understood, we'll keep a close watch on that time agent. Based on the data I gathered on your previous mission, I've detected the next time split. I've done my best to display it on the large screen above the timeline computer. Let's go to the next time split. And let's do the space one. And now we're going to the time pod. We have one jump left. Let's press the button. And mission brief. I found a time split where the Apollo 11 rocket is stuck in orbit and will never make it to the moon. We have to fix this. Travel to the NASA Launch Operations Center on May 25th, 1961 and get the astronauts to the moon. Enter pod and press button. We have one jump remaining. Let's see if we can make it. NASA Launch Center, Marriott Island. NASA engineer. We have just received a message from Apollo 11. The landing navigation data has been deleted. How can we get the data back to them? I've got the calculations to save the mission right here. The mathematician says, NASA engineer, we'll have to manually send the landing navigation data and hope Apollo 11 receives it. Mathematician, let's get to work. Here's how we reach them. First, forward 25. Right, forward 17. Down 3. Tara says, use your talk device to teleport your time agent into space. Follow the mathematician's instructions to deliver the navigation data to Apollo 11. Let's start the activity. And Tara says, just in time. Now that the time agent is in place, let's use code to deliver the Thank you. I hope your walk to school goes great. Just in time. Now that the time agent is in place, let's use code to deliver the landing navigation data. So thank you for that. And I hope your walk to school goes great. Tara says, just in time. Now that the time agent is in place, let's use code to deliver the landing navigation data to Apollo 11 so they can safely land on the moon. And let's just move to somewhere where we can see the area nicely. Send your agent to space. So let's move agent forward 25. And wait, right 17. And down 3. And let's do the code. Sorry about that. Let's do the code. Send your agent to space. So let's move agent forward 25. And wait, right 17. And down 3. So enjoy your walk, and I hope it's a great day at school. I'm on holiday at the moment, and we went down by 3. And the NASA engineer says, thank you, Apollo 11 has received the data. Mathematician says, we did it as a team. Teamwork is great. Thank you everyone for your incredible work. Congratulations, the time split has been repaired. Tara says, your coding skills are stellar. You've repaired this moment in time and the future of space exploration is safe. And we're doing a scan to detect a secret. Search the area for a button. This looks like the NASA control center. And let's try find the button. Ah, there we go. Here is the button. And Tara says you found the secret room. Take note of which time agents you see here and head back to the Institute. So Banshee and Pixie we've discovered there. Let's use the talk device. Press end mission when you're all done. I'll bring you back to the control center. So we want to go back to the control center. Based on the evidence you've gathered, which one do you think is causing all the time splits? I have seen Pixie at every time split, so I vote for Pixie. Tara says, fantastic work, you've repaired the timeline, but just barely. Now that we have the situation under control, meet me at the center of the control room to store your time agent back in their pod. So we are going back to see Tara. In front of you, Tara says, in front of you will be the time agent storage pods. Use your talk device to return your agent to their pod. Great work. Now to store everyone except you, Pixie. Stay right there until we can check you out. And Time Culprit says, clap clap, you figured it out. I'm the culprit, but you're too late. You might have stopped me this time, but I will be back. So now Tara says, I'm not sure where the culprit has gone, but we'll find them. It's just a matter of time. You can go back and try again. When you're ready, use your talk device to replay this game. So I have streamed for an hour. So what I'm going to do is let's see if we can find someone to raid. Thank you everyone for supporting my stream. I really appreciate you. Keep well, keep smiling, keep happy, and thank you for supporting me wherever you are in the world. Have a really awesome day or night. I'm Surf Dude, and I will be streaming again today. And Merry Christmas to everyone. I hope that you all going to have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. So thank you for watching and thank you for supporting my stream. Tara says your coding skills are stellar. You've required. Tara says your coding skills are stellar. You've repaired this moment in time, and the future of space exploration is safe. And we're doing a scan to detect a secret. Search the area for a button. This looks like the NASA control center. And let's try find the button. Ah, there we go. Here is the button. And Tara says you found the secret room. Take note of which time agents you see here and head back to the Institute. So we see Banshee and Pixie. So thank you for watching my stream and enjoy your walk to school and enjoy school. So Banshee and Pixie we've discovered there. Let's use the talk device. Press end mission when you're all done. I'll bring you back to the control center. So we want to go back to the control center. Based on the evidence you've gathered, which one do you think is causing all the time splits? I have seen Pixie at every time split, so I vote for Pixie. Tara says, fantastic work, you've repaired the timeline, but just barely. Now that we have the situation under control, meet me at the center of the control room to store your time agent back in their pod. So we are going back to see Tara. In front of you, Tara says, in front of you will be the time agent storage pods. Use your talk device to return your agent to their pod. Great work. Now to store everyone except you, Pixie. Stay right there until we can check you out. And time culprit says, clap clap, you figured it out. I'm the culprit, but you're too late. You might have stopped me this time, but I will be back. So now Tara says, I'm not sure where the culprit has gone, but we'll find them. It's just a matter of time. You can go back and try again. When you're ready, use your talk device to replay this game. So I have streamed for an hour. So what I'm going to do is let's see if we can find someone to raid. Let's see who is let's go to Dirty Boy and thank you everyone for supporting my stream. I really appreciate you. Keep well, keep smiling, keep happy, and thank you for supporting me wherever you are in the world. Have a really awesome day or night. I'm Surf Dude, and I will be streaming again today. And Merry Christmas to everyone. I hope that you all going to have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. So thank you for watching and thank you for supporting my stream.